Want to be able to others to tag you on your post on X? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to enable photo tagging on X. Let's get started. First, open X. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Tap on Settings and Support at the bottom. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Now go to Privacy and Safety. Go to Audience and Tagging. At the bottom, you can see Photo Tagging. Tap on it. Now you can choose anybody to be able to tag you or only your followers to tag you. I'm selecting the first option. And that is how to enable photo tagging on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.